Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a 10-minute wake-up yoga sequence. In this flow, we slowly begin to wake up our entire body and end with an energizing sun salutation. If you're ready to wake up with some yoga, come flow with me. We'll begin in a seated position. But first, take a moment just to stretch your arms up. Move from side to side. Begin to move your body by wiggling your fingers and toes. And then finally come into a seat and find stillness. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose. Let it all out through the mouth. One more time. And then seal your lips and continue to breathe in and out through the nose. Just notice your breath. Let it be natural. Wherever you are is exactly where you need to be. And begin by thinking about something you're grateful for this morning. Maybe it's just getting out of bed. Maybe it's your breath. Maybe it's something to look forward to today. Blink your eyes open. Reach your arms up overhead. Exhale your palms to heart center. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the palms to heart center, connecting your breath with movement. Inhale the palms up, exhale as you bring them to heart center. One more time, inhale your arms up, and this time twist to your right, placing your left palm on your knee. Your right hand can rest behind you, maybe on fingertips. Inhale, rising to the middle, exhale to the opposite side. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, back to the middle, exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, coming up to center. Exhale and twist to your left. Inhale one more time to center. Exhale as you bring your palms down. Placing your palms somewhere on your legs, begin to take some neck circles. Going in one direction. Going at your own pace. And then switching sides whenever you're ready. Going in the opposite direction. Inhaling as you come up. Exhaling as you bring your chin to your chest. Coming back to center. Exhale and now begin to take circles with your hips in your upper body. Reaching your chest towards your right knee. And coming forward. Coming towards your left knee. And then all the way back up. Continuing a circular motion. And now switching sides, going in the opposite direction. Again, make these circles as shallow or as deep as you'd like. On your next exhale, reach forward and roll over onto your hands and knees. Make your way into a tall kneel. Place your palms on your lower back for support, taking a mini camel, going just as deep as it feels right. You can even tuck your toes under for additional support and balance. Exhale and bring your hips down towards your heels, staying in that tucked toe position, finding a stretch on the soles of your feet. Exhale your palms down as you make your way into a tabletop, and then take your knees wide and sink down into your child's pose. Breathe in and out. Notice what you feel. On your next next exhale, walk both palms over towards the right edge of your mat, finding a stretch in the left side of your body. Sink your left hip just a little bit more towards your left heel. Inhale as you walk back to center and exhale to the opposite side. You can even place your right palm over your left. And again, as you exhale, find that length by sinking your right hip towards your right heel. Inhale your way back to center and come up to your tabletop. And bringing your knees underneath your hips, tucking your toes under, walk your palms forward for a puppy pose as you melt your heart towards the ground. Deep breath here, and then press yourself up into a tabletop. Turn your fingertips towards your thighs, finding a stretch in your wrists. Shift forward and back or side to side. Then turning your fingertips out towards the edges of your mat. Maybe take some circles, or again, shift forward and back, side to side, whatever feels good in your body. Finally, turn your palms upwards, placing the backs of your hands onto the mat. You can do this one palm at a time if it's too intense for you. Again, notice what you feel. Just waking up those wrists. And bring your fingertips to face the top of your mat once more. Begin to take some cats and cows. Dropping your belly low and lifting your heart high as you inhale. Exhale, tuck under and look through your thighs. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, arch the upper back. Go at your own pace, taking a few more rounds. Come back to center. As you exhale, shift your hips up and back to your downward facing dog. And begin to pedal out your feet and notice the stretch in the backs of your legs. Linger wherever you need to. Lift up into your high heels. Exhale and lower. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, walk to the top of your mat. You can keep your feet wide here. Grab onto opposite forearms or elbows. And just shift side to side, letting your head hang heavy here. Come back to center, reach your fingertips low, and as you inhale, slowly roll all the way up to standing. As you stand at the top of your mat, find your mountain pose. Ground down through your feet, and we'll begin some sun salutations. Inhale, reach your arms up high. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant your palms, step back, lower down halfway or all the way. You can come down onto your knees if you need to. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Breathe here for a moment or two. We'll take a couple more rounds just to wake up our entire bodies. Inhale, look forward, step or hop forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. Inhale and rise. Reaching up high. Exhale the palms to heart center. Inhale the arms high. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, plant the palms, step or hop back. Lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale, baby cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Again, pause here for a few breaths. Inhale, look forward. Exhale to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rising all the way up to standing. Exhale the palms to heart center. Inhale, reach up high. Maybe take a mini back bend. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, step or hop back. Lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Find your breath. Maybe in through the nose and out through the mouth if you've lost it. On your next exhale, bring your knees down, Cross at the ankles and find your way into a seat. Take any seat that's comfortable for you. Close your eyes and come back to your breath. Take a few moments here just to come back to whatever you're grateful for as you begin your day. Let yourself readjust after all that movement. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed that flow, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day if you started your morning with me. Remember, you can really practice this flow at any time to give you a little bit of boost of energy. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. If you're interested in the mat I was practicing on, any props we've used, or the outfit I was wearing, I'll link everything down below in the description bar. If you want to continue your practice, you can find more vinyasa flows in this playlist right here. You'll also find relaxing yoga, yin yoga, and soon to come prenatal and postnatal yoga videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.